Guys, what's up? It's Lakh and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my February favorites. So actually right now it's currently February 17th. So it's kind of like in the middle, but kind of not in the middle though, because there's only 28 days, so there's only like 11 days left. So I guess, I mean, whatever. Anyways, my point is of saying that is that I'm actually filming this video early because I'm going to be going to India soon, and by the time you see this video I'll probably be in India already, and so I'm actually pre-recording some videos so that I can still consistently post while I'm over there because I don't want to like disappear for a month. But yeah, so I'm actually filming this video a little bit early. That's why I have a little bit less products than in my previous hits and misses videos. So yeah, it's a fewer things because it's not a full month yet, and then also I don't have any misses for this month, so sorry if that's disappointing, but I don't. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. The things I do have are really good things, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first two things are actually eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is this Anastasia Prism Palette, and it looks like this. And I got this for Christmas from one of my friends, and this is just so beautiful. And so here is the inside of the palette right there. So when you first look at it, it kind of seems like what the hell are all these colors doing in the same palette, because it is kind of an interesting selection, I guess, of colors, but this palette is so pretty, and it's just like the Modern Renaissance palette to me, formula-wise. Well, that's what I've experienced so far. And yeah, I just really like these eyeshadows. The quality is just as good as Modern Renaissance, and it's just an easy to use palette, and the colors I really like in this. Like this color I've used, this pink one right here, I've used so much. And then also the shimmer shades, the metallic-y shades are really nice in here as well. And overall, I reach for this palette a lot. I like this chocolate brown shade right here. This chocolate brown shade is such a good shade. It is that perfect chocolate brown shade. So I just really like this palette, and I've really been enjoying it. The next eyeshadow palette I have is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and this palette is just so beautiful to look at, first of all. So here is a little close-up of the palette. So it's so cute, like how the chocolate has like the gold dripping on it. I just really like that. And then when you open it up, so this is what the palette looks like from the inside, and it's kind of focusing a little dark, but these colors, so basically the whole palette is a bunch of shimmer shades and then 3 matte shades. So or 4 matte shades. And so I actually really like this palette. So if you're someone who likes an eye look, like you do transition shade, a deeper brown, maybe sometimes black in the outer V, and then a metallic shade in the lid, if that's your go-to style, like it is mine, like that's pretty much my go-to style if I'm just doing like a day-to-day thing, or just you know, that's just my style. Like I like a brown in the crease, and then I like to deepen it up on the outer V. Sometimes I'll add black, and then a metallic shade on the lid is a must for me. So this palette is honestly perfect for a person like that, because right here you have a shade to set your eyelid with. So after you prime your lid, you can just set it with that. And then you have a transition shade right here, so it's a really light tan transition color. And then you have your black shade, and then you have your deeper brown shade. So it's perfect for that look, and you don't even have to use the shimmers if you don't want to. You can also do a natural look with no shimmer, but if you do want to do shimmer, which I always do, you have such a nice selection of shimmers. There are so many shimmers, from the gold to the rose gold to the pink to the green to the bright gold color, and a bunch of other shades. And you have like a silver shimmer shade, and then a more champagne shimmer shade, and you just have such a nice variety of shimmer shades. And this, to me, like you could build so many eyeshadow looks with this, and I just think the matte shades they added are so perfect. And it smells like chocolate, and it smells so good. And yeah, I just think this palette is really good. Next up, I have the ColourPop lipsticks. And so these new ColourPop Luxe lipsticks are so good, you guys. I love these lipsticks. And I did recently make a video about it. So if you want to see these 4 shades swatched on me, then definitely go check out that video. But these are just so beautiful. And they're so creamy and go on so smooth, and they're so comfortable. It's just such a great lipstick. If you like lipsticks like I do, I'm not a big liquid lipstick fan, but I love traditional lipsticks. So you would really enjoy these too. And they are $7, and they're so cute and so nice. So yeah, if you want to check out the shades and everything, then go ahead and check out that other video. But yeah, these are so good. Next up, since we were talking about lips, I have this Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Charmer. So I've been wearing this a lot recently, and right now I think I actually have on Unreal on my lips, so it's the same thing, but this is Charmer and this is Unreal. And I think I might have mentioned Unreal in a previous favorites video or something. But anyways, what I've been wearing recently a lot is Charmer, and this is basically a lip gloss. So yeah, this has a kind of a pinky tone to it. So let me show you guys like a little swatch. So here is Charmer swatched on my hand. So as you can see, it has a pink rose tone to it. But yeah, so this is what the gloss looks like, and this gloss looks so beautiful on top of pretty much anything. So sometimes I'll put like a lip liner, maybe Spice from MAC or MAC Cork, and then I'll put this lip gloss on top, or I'll put just any lipstick I have, a pink, nude lipstick, whatever, and then I'll pop this on top, and it's just so good. This lip gloss is so nice. It's not gloopy or you know, sticky or anything. It's just, you can't even feel it once you put on, but it gives your lips such a nice shine. If you like glossy lips, you'll definitely like this, and it's so affordable too, so that's always a plus. And yeah, it looks beautiful. I'm wearing Unreal right now. It's just so pretty. Okay, next I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and it looks like this. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this concealer, mine is in the shade Medium Tawny, and this concealer is so good. For a drugstore concealer, this is bomb. This concealer is so nice because it just makes, I don't know, it feels like a high-end concealer or a really expensive concealer. It just makes my under eye, and this color is also perfect for my skin tone as well. And when I put this on and blend it out, it blends out so nicely. It is so smooth underneath your eye, and it doesn't crease. It doesn't give me a creasing problem or anything. And it's smooth, and it just looks beautiful. If you are balling on a budget, or if you're looking for a new concealer or anything, definitely check this out because it is really good. And then lastly, I have a kind of skincare-ish product, and so this is a Vanity Planet face cleansing brush. So this is what it looks like. So it's like a face cleaning brush. If you're familiar with the Clarisonic face cleaning brush, then this is kind of like that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and then it has 2 speeds to it. So this is the first speed, and then it goes faster. So that's the second speed. And yeah, so this brush, I've been using this for actually a couple months now, but I wanted to wait to add it into a favorites video until I was sure that I really like it. But yeah, I'm sure, and I really like this. And so I wanted to tell you guys that if you have a problem with texture on your skin, like I do, if you remember some videos back, like a couple months ago, I had some video, I had a lot of texture on my face, especially in this region right here. So like my cheeks and this like highlight region right here. It's just, I had a lot of texture, and having texture on your face is almost as if when you don't have any makeup on, your skin, your actual skin looks better than when you put foundation on. So when you have a lot of texture on your face, when you put foundation on, the foundation emphasizes your texture, and then the powders you put on top and highlight and blush and, you know, everything, it just emphasizes your texture because you're adding layers to your face. So when you have texture, it's almost as if when you don't have any makeup on, your face looks smooth, and you would never think you have texture, but once you start adding things to your face, then you can see that you have texture because it's not looking right and it's not looking smooth. And so I had a big problem with that, and it was so irritating because I just wanted my makeup to look smooth and flawless. And so I, you know, did some research and stuff, and then I started exfoliating so I didn't have any dry skin and stuff. I exfoliate about once or twice a week. And then also what I did is I bought a face cleaning brush. So previous to having this, I would just take my face cleanser and just wash it with my hands. So wash my face with my hands. But then I got this brush, and this brush, honestly, it does such a better job of cleaning my face than my fingers ever can. And honestly, that kind of just is kind of like common sense because this is a brush and it has, you know, spinning speeds to it, and versus my hands are just my fingers, you know. So obviously this is gonna clean a lot better. And I noticed that when I started using this, and after maybe a month, my texture has gotten reduced by like 75%. So I do have just like a little bit of texture, but not nearly, maybe probably 80%, not nearly as much as I used to. And honestly, it's because of this brush, because I can just feel my face feeling cleaner after I wash it now, and my texture is just looking so much better. So I wanted to really mention this so you guys could, if you have the same problem, you have a lot of texture, and if you didn't even know what texture meant, but whenever you put makeup on, you always think to yourself, why isn't my makeup looking flawless like other people I see or videos I see and stuff like that? That's what I used to think. Then this is for you to know that try a brush like this. So this Vanity Planet brush, don't buy a full price because there's a bunch of discount codes out there. I use Daisy Marquez's discount code, and her code I believe is Daisy70. So yeah, just use that if it works, or just, you know, YouTube somebody Vanity Planet code and it should pop up. So that's a 70% off code, and that's crazy. But yeah, so definitely don't buy this full price, buy it with the discount code and it'll be so much cheaper. And so this cleaning brush is a lot more affordable than the Clarisonic. So the Clarisonic is like pushing $200, maybe at $170 or $180 or something like that. So it's pretty expensive, but this one I think was maybe $40 or something after the code, or maybe even a little less than that, but I don't remember. But this one is a lot cheaper. So I have yet to compare it to the Clarisonic. I will get the Clarisonic someday just to compare the two and to see if one is actually better than the other, or if they both perform the same. And if that's the case, then you should just buy this one. But yeah, so I have yet to do that, but this is a really good product. Okay guys, so those were all my favorites of this month. But like I said, I don't have any misses for this month. So yeah, none of that. But yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, then please do hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I will see you guys next time.